Hello everybody, I'm Batlle, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about shock boots. I'm going to show you a tip to make a hole here, so then when you extend the shock and make rebound, you will not have air inside the boot. So I'm going to show you and just let me know your thoughts. Here we go. So here we have the shock boot. Here we have two shocks. This is with the small hole I make on the shock. This is without small shock. So as you can see, if we press, there is no air inside the boot. And if we do with this, you see here is air inside. So in a big jump, landing or bump or whatever, it can break here easy with the air. So I prefer always to do that small hole. How I do it? You need the scissor. I always do the curved one. You have the boot here. So I put the boot like this. And here, as you can see, I make a small one. I try to make it rounded. So here, small one. Rounded, just making like this, small one, has to be super small. And here we have the small hole, so it will make the shock boot to not to have air inside, and it will prevent to break it easier. So here we have the small tip. So this is my small tip about the shock boots. I hope you like it, and as usual, if you like that video, just share it and ask me some questions, whatever you want, down there on Facebook, Instagram, or on the same YouTube channel. So see you on the next video. Bye bye.